Welcome back to Marketplace, everyone. We continue our on-the-road trip into Jacksonville, and our next stop is a beautiful little bed and breakfast if you're looking for that nice little getaway heading out into Jacksonville. I'm joined here with Gwen Iyer, the owner of the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast. Gwen, a pleasure to meet you. You've been showing us around your bed and breakfast over the past little bit. I've never seen anything so beautiful in this mansion here. Tell me a little bit about the history of the mansion.
Thanks for coming. It's a joy to have you here today. This home was built in the late 1880s, and it was built for a man's widowed daughter. And I don't know if she had a lot of children or just a lot of staff, but certainly it's a grand home. And it's a joy to share it with the community as a bed and breakfast. It has what we believe to be original fireplaces. There are 5 existing, and we have chandeliers in every room. So the experience here is just like staying in a mansion back in the late 1800s.
I got that feeling as you were showing us around earlier, the different bedrooms and everything, all the amenities you have here. You guys have a lot of business here with Blessings Bed and Breakfast as well, correct?
We do, and it's certainly picked up post-pandemic. We are booking out now. Our numbers right now are ahead of previous years as far as occupancy goes. We have a number of return guests. We really focus on serving our guests, whether it's arranging a breakfast time at a later time to meet their travel needs, or serving our suite retreat to the guest bedroom, whether it's recognizing their allergies and that kind of thing and preparing special foods. We do the best we can to meet guest needs while they stay here.
And it's really nice that you're really getting like this down-home comfort feeling when you come out here to stay at your bed and breakfast. How long have you guys been in operation out here in Jacksonville?
This is our 13th year in operation. We came specifically to open as a bed and breakfast. It was my dream. I had stayed in bed and breakfast 39 years ago on my honeymoon, and I thought, this is what I want to do when I grow up.
So why don't we go show the people around?
Okay, let's do.
We're going to talk more about the amenities here at the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast. Joining me now is the assistant innkeeper, Kelly Jones. Kelly, thanks so much for joining us here. Some beautiful rooms you've got here, along with all the other amenities. Tell me what people can expect here if they're going to come out to the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast.
Well, you can expect 2 luxury suites that we have. We have Tranquility and Serenity. Tranquility is the larger of the 2 with the king-size bed, and then as I showed you earlier, the waterfall shower along with the large bathtub that we have in there, and the sitting room in the back. And then Serenity, the smaller of the 2, the sitting room, the nice queen-size bed in that room, and we also have available nice plush robes to wear if you want to while you're in your room. And then we also offer breakfast as well.
And besides the breakfast, you were telling me if someone's interested, you guys do in-room massage as well with a massage therapist, correct?
We do. We have a local massage therapist here in town, and she will actually come into the suites and do on-site massages for us.
We go from the massages over to breakfast. Tell me a little bit about the breakfast. You guys have been talking a lot about that as we've been looking here at the bed and breakfast.
Well, bed and breakfast is the most important part, right?
Yes.
The breakfast. So you can have your choice between sweet or savory breakfast, or you can do the sweet retreat, is where we actually bring something up to your room so you don't have to come down. So
literally breakfast in bed. That sounds amazing. And that tub that's in the bigger of the 2 rooms and everything, I can tell you I could probably stretch out in that for hours.
You can, and it's so nice and deep, and yeah, you fit in there just good.
And you guys really do tailor the experience to everybody that comes out here, because everyone's different, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. And when we talk about breakfast, you can, like, say you have allergies or, can't have gluten and stuff like that. All you have to do is let us know, and we will tailor the breakfast to your needs.
Kelly Jones, the assistant innkeeper here at the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast. Thanks so much for showing us around. And you know what? I'm going to go take a nap. Take a look at this. We're back here with Gwen Iyer. Gwen, if anyone's interested in booking a stay here at the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast, how can they do it?
Our website, blessingsonstate.com, has lots of options for packages and overnight stays, and our phone number is 217-245-1013 if they'd like to call.
Gwen Iyer, the owner of the Blessings on State Bed and Breakfast here in Jacksonville. Gwen, thanks so much. Nice to meet you, and thanks so much for the hospitality. We've got a nice charcuterie board here and a little bit of tea. We're going to continue our conversation, and we'll be back with much more Marketplace on the road in Jacksonville coming up after this.